Table of Contents. Preface. 1. Managing and performing. 1.1. What do managers do? 1.2. The roles managers play. 1.3. Major characteristics of the manager's job. 2. Managerial decision-making. 2.1. Overview of managerial decision-making. 2.2. How the brain processes information to make decisions. Reflective and reactive systems. 2.3. Programmed and non-programmed decisions. 2.4. Barriers to effective decision-making. 2.5. Improving the quality of decision-making. 2.6. Group decision-making. 3. The history of management. 3.1. The early origins of management. 3.2. The Italian Renaissance. 3.3. The Industrial Revolution. 3.4. Tailor-made management. 3.5. Administrative and bureaucratic management. 3.6. Human relations movement. 3.7. Contingency and system management. 4. External and internal organizational environments and corporate culture. 4.1. The organization's external environment. 4.2. External environments and industries. 4.3. Organizational designs and structures. 4.4. The internal organization and external environments. 4.5. Corporate cultures. 4.6. Organizing for change in the 21st century. 5. Ethics, corporate responsibility, and sustainability. 5.1. Ethics and business ethics defined. 5.2. Dimensions of ethics. The individual level. 5.3. Ethical principles and responsible decision-making. 5.4. Leadership. Ethics at the organizational level. 5.5. Ethics, corporate culture, and compliance. 5.6. Corporate social responsibility, CSR. 5.7. Ethics around the globe. 5.8. Emerging trends in ethics, CSR, and compliance. 6. International management. 6.1. Importance of international management. 6.2. Hofstede's cultural framework. 6.3. The Globe framework. 6.4. Cultural stereotyping and social institutions. 6.5. Cross-cultural assignments. 6.6. Strategies for expanding globally. 6.7. The necessity of global markets. 7. Entrepreneurship. 7.1. Entrepreneurship. 7.2. Characteristics of successful entrepreneurs. 7.3. Small business. 7.4. Start your own business. 7.5. Managing a small business. 7.6. The large impact of small business. 7.7. The Small Business Administration. 7.8. Trends in entrepreneurship and small business ownership. 8. Strategic analysis. Understanding a firm's competitive environment. 8.1. Gaining advantages by understanding the competitive environment. 8.2. Using SWOT for strategic analysis. 8.3. A firm's external macro environment. PESTEL. 8.4. A firm's micro environment. Porter's 5 forces. 8.5. The internal environment. 8.6. Competition, strategy, and competitive advantage. 8.7. Strategic positioning. 9. The strategic management process. Achieving and sustaining competitive advantage. 9.1. Strategic management. 9.2. Firm vision and mission. 9.3. The role of strategic analysis in formulating a strategy. 9.4. Strategic objectives and levels of strategy. 9.5. Planning firm actions to implement strategies. 9.6. Measuring and evaluating strategic performance. 10. Organizational structure and change. 10.1. Organizational structures and design. 10.2. Organizational change. 10.3. Managing change. 11. Human resource management. 11.1. An introduction to human resource management. 11.2. Human resource management and compliance. 11.3. Performance management. 11.4. Influencing employee performance and motivation, 11.5. Building an organization for the future, 11.6. Talent development and succession planning. 12. Diversity in organizations. 12.1. An introduction to workplace diversity, 12.2. Diversity in the workforce, 12.3. Diversity and its impact on companies, 12.4. Challenges of diversity, 12.5. Key diversity theories, 12.6. Benefits and challenges of workplace diversity, 12.7. Recommendations for managing diversity. 13. Leadership. 13.1. The nature of leadership, 13.2. The leadership process, 13.3. Types of leaders and leader emergence, 13.4. The trait approach to leadership, 13.5. Behavioral approaches to leadership, 13.6. Situational, contingency, approaches to leadership, 13.7. Substitutes for and neutralizers of leadership, 13.8. Transformational, visionary, and charismatic leadership, 13.9. Leadership needs in the 21st century. 14. Work motivation for performance. 14.1. Motivation, direction and intensity, 14.2. Content theories of motivation, 14.3. Process theories of motivation, 14.4. Recent research on motivation theories. 15. Managing teams. 15.1. Teamwork in the workplace, 15.2. Team development over time, 15.3. Things to consider when managing teams, 15.4. Opportunities and challenges to team building, 15.5. Team diversity, 15.6. Multicultural teams. 16. Managerial communication. 16.1. The process of managerial communication, 16.2. Types of communications in organizations, 16.3. Factors affecting communications and the roles of managers, 16.4. Managerial communication and corporate reputation, 16.5. The major channels of management communication are talking, listening, reading, and writing. 17. Organizational planning and controlling. 17.1. Is planning important? 17.2. The planning process, 17.3. Types of plans, 17.4. Goals or outcome statements, 17.5. Formal organizational planning in practice, 17.6. Employees' responses to planning, 17.7. Management by objectives. A planning and control technique, 17.8. The control and involvement-oriented approaches to planning and controlling. 18. Management of technology and innovation. 18.1. MTI. Its importance now and in the future, 18.2. Developing technology and innovation, 18.3. External sources of technology and innovation, 18.4. Internal sources of technology and innovation, 18.5. Management entrepreneurship skills for technology and innovation, 18.6. Skills needed for MTI, 18.7. Managing now for future technology and innovation. Index.